everybody. Recently I've done few trips with my vehicle, and after the trips, as a regular maintenance, as a custom, I go through the main components of the car, the suspension, and I noticed that I broke the leaf spring, two leaves broken, and I will dismantle this leaf spring and I will check the condition and decide what to do next. Okay, now we have better view after I remove the wheel. So we see 1, 2, 3 leaves are normal, and broken is 4th and 5th. So 2 leaves broken. So now I will remove the leaf spring completely and have it on the bench, and then I will try to compare the new leaf spring versus used one versus repairing bush repair of this one. So vehicle is secured under the frame and under the solid axle and bottle jack, and of course wheels are also secured on both axles, so I can start to remove this leaf. So I removed U-bolts and leaf spring support. So you see I removed shock absorber support, so shock absorber is free on the bottom, but it stays where I don't remove it completely. So now I remove this part, and then leaf spring will be free, and the last part I remove will be this part, and then I can take it out. That's how it looks after complete removal. So we see the gap here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Only 6 leaves. And then 2 broken, and the clamp, the one with the clamp, is broken, unfortunately. Okay, we'll continue tomorrow. Okay, I disassembled this leaf spring. You see it's broken here, and unfortunately with this place where they are kept together. Now what I try to do as an exercise, as a training, I'll try to do a bush repair of this leaf spring. I try to find the pieces of metal of what I have, just in an exercise. If this happens while I'm in the remote location somewhere in Central Asia, and I will need to repair the spring, I want to train, I want to make an exercise and repair it. So what I did, I used some old leaf springs not necessarily from Toyota, to replace the broken ones. And now I repacked it, so you can see I added one extra leaf, so it was 6, now I have 7 leaves. First 3 are original Toyota, then I added 4th, which comes here, and then 5th and 6th, and 7th is original Toyota. So first 3 and last one are original leaf spring, and 3 are added in the bottom half, I would say. Now I will tighten it, add clips, and I'm ready to mount it on a vehicle as a bushcraft repair. Okay, I installed the leaf spring on the vehicle. This is how it looks. I removed driver side spring, and all 6 leaves are fine, are good. I added one more here, the same length as the 3rd leaf. I added 4th one, then 5th, 6th and 7 are original, and 1st, 2nd and 3rd are original. So instead of 6, now I will have 7 leaves. I just reconnect it, close it and install it, and we check the height at the fender if this is the same on both sides. I would like to summarize broken leaf spring repair. As you can see, I did a bush repair, so I repaired it myself. I added the leaf to make it stronger, and as advice from a friend of mine, I decided to remove the coil springs which were in front, which I have in front and in the back. So I decided to remove them because the front suspension and these springs caused that it was higher than in the back. So I remove it, and I checked the height of the fender. So in front it's 96 centimeters. In the back we have 94 centimeters, so it's only 2 centimeters difference. I think it's acceptable. But in front, without the additional coil springs, in the back with additional coil springs. So this means that I need to replace also the back leaf springs because they're not strong enough. So now I will need to look for stronger or add additional leaf to the back leaf springs.